Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi 13X with premium glass back trendy design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display with 6.79 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, approximately 396 ppi pixel density, 550 nits. Maximum high brightness mode, 90 Hz refresh rate, and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. And now, talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel 3x lossless zoom wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.75, along with 2 megapixel macro camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 13 megapixel centered punch hole front facing wide-angle camera with aperture 2.45, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra, 12nm chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6GB, 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 6GB, 8GB of extended RAM, and 128GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB hybrid microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.6 by 76.28 by 8.3 mm, and it weights around 205 grams, and the color options, semi-black, silk gold, silk blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5030 mAh battery with 33-watt wired fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with AI face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack with mono speaker support, USB Type-C charging port, FM radio support, infrared remote control support, IP53 dust protected and water resistant, and with NFC support market dependent. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi Redmi 13X 4G has been priced for 6GB plus 128GB. Storage variant at 4,290,000 Vietnamese dong, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 4,690,000 Vietnamese dong. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Redmi 13X 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.